Good day, everyone. I would like to present to you the qualification standards for Master Teacher 3 position. Salary grade 20. So for education, we need master's degree in education or educational leadership or educational management or relevant subject or learning area. For experience, we need 5 years of experience and 2 years relevant experience in instructional supervision and technical assistance for teachers. While for training, we need 24 hours of training in any of or cumulative of the following: curriculum, pedagogy, subject and specialization, and 8 hours of instructional supervision acquired within the last 5 years. Or completion of NEA prerequisite development program for career stage 4 or distinguished teacher. While for eligibility, for elementary, it's RA 1080, elementary or secondary. And for secondary, it's RA 1080, secondary. For my next video, I will present to you the qualification standards for Master Teacher 4 position. Good day!